Qantas 61 Papa, you have radar contact approximately 10 miles northeast of the Melbourne Airport. Altitude reports 5,200. Proceed direct worms, climb and maintain 16,000.
Proceed direct worms, climb and maintain 16,000. Qantas 61 Papa, thank you very much.
November 1979er, confirm the descent down to 3.
Roger, Scott. Yeah, we're, oh, wow. Yeah, we should be going down 3. Let me make that happen. Let me expedite that. 99 copy.
And Qantas, I have your clearance into Charlie Yankee, Quebec Yankee. Advise when you're ready to copy. November 1979er, turn right heading 270, descend to maintain 2000.
270, 2000, that's not coming.
Qantas 61 Pop, I have your clearance into Charlie Yankee, Quebec Yankee. Advise when you're ready to copy.
Second, Qantas 61 Papa.
61, Qantas 61 Papa, I have your clearance into Charlie Yankee, Quebec Yankee. Advise when you're ready to copy.
Ready to copy clearance 61 Papa.
Qantas 61 Papa, you're clear to the Charlie Yankee, Quebec Yankee Airport via radar vectors worms, then as filed. Expect flight level 310.
Flight to Sydney, Canada, as filed, expect radar vectors, flight level 310, Qantas 61 Papa, thank you.
Qantas 61 Papa, reback correct. November 1979er, turn right heading 330, field to be approximately at your 12 to 2 o'clock and 10 miles report in sight.
Copy that 330, airport site, it's not copy.
And just to clarify, November 1979er, are you reporting the airport site or will report the airport site?
I'm sorry, I apologize, I should have been clear on that. Yeah, we do have the airport site for 99.
November 1979er, clear visual approach, runway 36 left.
Clear visual approach, 36 left, 99 copy.
Charlie Robert, November 128 to Orlando, 25,000 feet with you.
Bus aircraft calling, say again.
Charlie Robert, November 128 to Orlando at 25,000 feet with you.
Don't try to front on me like, cause you're trying to.
Euro-Atlantic 128. Orlando approach, Orlando altimeter 3026, squawk 7424.
Sorry, again, Charlie from November 128.
November 1979er contact, Orlando Tower 124.3.
124.399.
Euro-Atlantic 128, squawk 7424.
Tower, this is November 1979. I currently have final runway 36 left.
Last aircraft calling, you're still calling approach. Contact Orlando Tower 124.3.
Oh, apologize. Oh, sorry for that.
61 Papa, contact Orlando Airport.
Tower is November 1979. I currently have final approach runway 36 left.
Who's on final approach?
November 1979. Runway 36 left.
Ah, sir, I'm looking for you. I don't see you. Are you sure you're? Oh my God, there you are. I never had you on radar. Are you? Let's see here. Okay.
Yeah, I just got transferred over to you.
36 left to protect or clear to land.
Yeah, I just got transferred over to you. I'll copy that. Clear to land runway 36 left 99.
I never had you on radar. I don't know what's going on.